this anyway. I always pick the dynamite. Yeah. All right. 5. That's 5. All right. So we just need to fill some stuff in right here, right here. It's in the ether, y'all. In the ether. There we go. Fill it in. Eureka treasure train. Come on. Come on, treasure train. All right. Got 2. Got 3 more spins. Come on, treasure train. Do it. Fill it in. Fill it in. Fill it in. Alright. Need 1 right here. That'll make it easy. But if you want to make it hard, give us all 3. Okay? Do it. Do it. 2, 3. Hey! Hey! It's in the ether. Okay? Now, let's make us grand available. Let's make us grand available. Right now we minor available. Let's make us grand available. Get all of them. Do it. Last spin. Do it. Do it. Do it. Almost. Best 60 cents on the small one will be 60 cents. And then we got up to 25 carts on this. And we're minor available. Minor's $50. So let's get that minor, guys. Let's get that minor. Come on, Slotties. Get that minor. Come on. Green. Green. We need green. We need green. Green, green, green. The color green, the color green, the color green. Do all 25. Do all 25 cards. Color green, color green, color green. All 25. Color green. All 25. All 25. All 25. All 25. Come on, minor. All 25. Come on, minor. Minor. You can do minor right now. Woohoo! Nope. Great. All right. 24.90. Oh, 32. 47. I forgot about the other one. We got 24.90 on this. I forgot about the other. All right. We're gonna do a backup spin. That would have been nice. Like and subscribe, guys.